Guys, looking to spice things up in your relationship or lure a childhood crush? Now is your time to buy the Jones New York Love Potion. Yes, you heard me, Love Potion. This spray can immediately attract anyone that you desire. Yes, it's magical and made of ingredients that are unknown by the maker, and it has a secret recipe that can lure anybody that you desire. All you have to do is just spray it around yourself, and there you go. You have your person's attention. With just 3 payments of $39.95, you can go ahead and purchase the Jones New York Love Potion. Also, if you buy 1 Love Potion within the next 5 minutes, you'll get a free Love Lotion, and that's also the same thing, but you'll get it for free. Yes, you heard it. So dial 1-800-LOVE-MISS now and purchase your own Love Lotion, especially now in times of the holidays where everyone is with their favorite person. What are you waiting for? Buy your Love Potion now.